Welcome to our Chinese Finance and Economy Briefing Program. Today, we dive into the latest developments shaking up the financial landscape. First up, the US has thrown down the gauntlet in the shipbuilding sector, proposing hefty port fees aimed at Chinese vessels. While this could benefit allies like South Korea and Japan, they might struggle to meet the demand due to rising costs and labor shortages. Next, in a surprising twist, Alibaba founder Jack Ma re-emerges amidst a shifting political climate in China, sparking speculation about the government's evolving stance on private enterprises. His appearance at a high-profile symposium hints at potential policy changes aimed at fostering better relations with the private sector, especially after years of scrutiny. Lastly, Alibaba is making waves by open-sourcing its AI video generation models, showcasing its commitment to innovation and collaboration. With this move, the tech giant is not only enhancing its capabilities but also positioning itself as a leader in the burgeoning AI space. Please stay tuned for more detailed insights. The South China Morning Post reports that the U.S. has introduced a bold port fee proposal aimed at crippling China's dominant shipbuilding industry. This plan would impose hefty fees on shipping companies based on the proportion of Chinese-built vessels in their fleets, potentially reaching up to $1.5 million per port call in the U.S. While this move is intended to benefit U.S. allies like South Korea and Japan, who are the second and third largest shipbuilders, it may prove challenging for these countries to absorb the production demands. Analysts suggest that South Korea, known for its expertise in building gas tankers, could see a boost from increased U.S. liquefied natural gas exports. However, the feasibility of ramping up production in these allied nations is uncertain due to labor shortages and rising costs, highlighting the complexities of shifting the global shipbuilding landscape. Nikkei Asia highlights the surprising re-emergence of Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba, at a recent symposium attended by Xi Jinping, signaling a potential shift in the Chinese government's approach to private enterprise. After a period of intense scrutiny and pressure from the Xi administration, Ma's appearance has fueled speculation regarding his status and the future of private businesses in China. The event, which was the first of its kind in 6 years, saw Xi urging billionaires to contribute to the common prosperity of society, a concept that marks a departure from Deng Xiaoping's earlier economic policies. This shift may indicate Xi's desire to mend relations with the private sector amidst a struggling economy, as he balances the need for economic growth with the ideological goals of the Communist Party. In a move to bolster its position in the AI landscape, Alibaba has announced the open sourcing of 4 Sora-style video generation models as part of its ongoing commitment to AI technology development. This initiative allows developers worldwide to access and modify the models, fostering innovation and collaboration in the tech community. The models, which are part of Alibaba's 2.1 series, have already gained recognition for their capabilities, including supporting text effects in multiple languages. Additionally, Alibaba Cloud has set a new record for its cloud-native relational database, showcasing its advancements in cloud computing. This strategic push into open-source AI reflects Alibaba's broader ambition to lead in the tech sector while encouraging widespread adoption of its technologies across various industries. South China Morning Post reports that Baidu's live streaming service, YY Live, has recently integrated a new DeepSeek-powered chatbot named YYDS, which stands for Eternal God in Chinese slang. This move follows Baidu's acquisition of YY Live for $2.1 billion, a significant discount from its initial offer of $3.6 billion. Baidu aims to leverage the growing popularity of AI technologies, particularly in the competitive short video and live streaming markets, which are currently dominated by ByteDance, Douyin and Kuaishou. The integration of DeepSeek's models into YY Live is a strategic effort to enhance user engagement and capture a larger share of the market, where Baidu's previous short video app, Haokan, has struggled to gain traction. In another development, Huawei is generating excitement with the teaser of a new smartphone powered by its HarmonyOS Next platform, which is set to be unveiled in March. The device is expected to showcase innovations in hardware and software, with a focus on a new form factor. Huawei's chairman has indicated that major partners, including Tencent and Alibaba, are optimizing their apps for this upcoming smartphone. As the company pivots away from reliance on Android due to U.S. trade sanctions, the anticipation surrounding the foldable smartphone has led to a surge in related stocks, reflecting investor optimism about Huawei's potential resurgence in the mobile market. Additionally, China's market regulator is addressing the issue of cutthroat competition, or Nezhuan, in key industries such as solar energy, automotive, and technology. A recent meeting with major companies aimed to discuss sustainable competition practices and the need for antitrust measures to combat the unsustainable cycle of price wars. With overcapacity affecting sectors like electric vehicles and solar energy, regulators are keen on promoting quality upgrades and fair competition. The discussions signal a shift towards a more balanced approach to market dynamics, with hopes that companies can enhance their core competitiveness while expanding their markets responsibly. South China Morning Post reports that the emergence of Chinese AI models like DeepSeek's R1 and Moonshot's Kimi K1.5 signals a transformative era in technology, challenging the notion that the US can effectively contain Chinese innovation through export controls. The US government's attempts to restrict companies like Huawei backfired, leading to accelerated advancements in China's tech landscape. As these AI models gain traction globally, the US risks alienating allies and fostering parallel ecosystems that thrive outside its influence. The article emphasizes that rather than stifling competition, the US should focus on nurturing its own innovation to remain competitive in an interconnected global tech ecosystem. In a bid to strengthen its financial markets, Hong Kong's latest budget outlines initiatives to enhance wealth management, family offices, and yuan-denominated business. Financial Secretary Paul Chan Mopa highlighted plans for a technology enterprises channel to facilitate listings for tech firms, particularly those from mainland China. The government aims to expand tax incentives for family offices and promote yuan usage in trading, positioning Hong Kong as a premier cross-border wealth management center. With significant assets under management and an optimistic outlook for new listings amid a stock market rally, these measures reflect Hong Kong's commitment to enhancing its capital markets and attracting international investments. Premier Li Qiang's recent visits to state-owned telecom giants underscore the Chinese government's push for technological self-reliance and innovation. Emphasizing the importance of AI in research, Li urged companies like China Telecom, China Unicom, and China Mobile to accelerate their R&D efforts to maintain a competitive edge. This call to action aligns with President Xi Jinping's earlier remarks on fostering tech innovation among entrepreneurs. With the integration of AI models from DeepSeek into telecom services and substantial investments from private companies like Alibaba in cloud computing, China's ambitious goals for technological advancement are set to play a crucial role in its economic transformation, as reflected in positive forecasts from global accounting firms. Reuters Breaking Views highlights the challenges China faces in harnessing the full potential of AI amidst its ambitions to become a global leader in technology. While innovations from companies like DeepSeek showcase China's capabilities, translating these advancements into broader economic gains is complicated by the need for strict governmental control and the competitive pressure from the US. The article notes that despite Xi Jinping's encouragement for domestic innovators, the country struggles with a diffusion deficit, where the integration of new technologies across industries lags behind due to a lack of skilled workforce and institutional support. Historical parallels are drawn with Japan's past, where a talent gap hindered growth, pointing to the importance of fostering a robust skill infrastructure. Moreover, the Chinese Communist Party's censorship and top-down policies may stifle creativity and innovation, leading to inefficiencies in the economy. Analysts suggest that while AI could significantly boost productivity in China, the country must adapt its educational and corporate frameworks to fully capitalize on these technological advancements and avoid falling behind the US in the AI race. Thank you for tuning in. The content above showcases the latest briefing reports and analytical synopses, thoughtfully curated by the 6Do team. These insights stem from a wide array of reputable media outlets, think tanks, government sources, and specialized experts worldwide. We encourage you to explore these sources for a comprehensive perspective. Keep in mind that while the content may not always align with the official standpoint of 6Do Brief, it's not meant to be taken as absolute directives for decision-making. Comprising seasoned media professionals, learned scholars, and accomplished scientists, the 6Do team embodies a trailblazing, fully independent media entity. To customize 6Do Brief to meet your professional needs, you have the option to subscribe to a diverse array of briefings on our website, 6dobrief.com. Regardless of your location, you can conveniently receive 6Do Brief via email.
Got a book so big and bright, open it and take a flight. Learn about the stars and sea. Everything is here for me. Flip the pages one by one. Knowledge under the sun. From dinosaurs to galaxies, a world of endless mysteries. Encyclopedia, yay! facts and fun all day. From A to Z, let's see. Curious minds run free. Jump into the pages deep. Secrets that you want to keep. Time will fly and you will find magic lies in every line. Animals and history. Science full of mystery. Gotta read and gotta know. Watch our minds all start to grow. Encyclopedia, yay. Facts and fun all day. From A to Z, let's see. Curious minds run free, yeah. Jump into the pages deep. Secrets that you want to keep. Time will fly and you will find magic lies in every line. To run free line. Every line's run free. Animals and history. Science full of mystery.